Seeing the dog. A dog in your dream generally represents aspects of loyalty, friendship, and protection. It might mean you're putting your trust in someone close to you. How one feels, the extent to which a person is feeling safe or loved, will be determined by the behavior of the dog. Fighting. If you are fighting in your dream, it usually means you are having some kind of inner turmoil or stress. It can indicate unresolved matters or feelings of anger. The person with whom you are fighting gives you a hint about the problem that bothers you. Falling. The dreams in which you are falling can be about fear, anxiety, or feeling out of control. They usually appear when you feel overwhelmed or are worried that you will fail at something. Being chased. Generally, if you happen to be being chased in a dream, then that could be interpreted to mean you're avoiding some problem or even that you might feel threatened. It would infer that there is something in your life you should stand and face but are running from. Meaning of cat in a dream. Cats in a dream symbolize either independence or intuition. A friendly cat may indicate that you are closer to your instincts, and an aggressive one may give you hints of trust issues. Being back in school. School dreams often show lessons you are still learning or unresolved past issues. They may also refer to anxieties about your performance and the pressure to excel. Flying. Flying dreams may feel wonderful and are usually an indication of liberty and ambition. They could suggest a desire to rise above the usual and be out on new adventures. Missing a bus, train, or flight. Those are common ones concerning missing transportation, which frequently speaks to the fears of missing out on opportunities or being totally unprepared. They're showing that one is anxious about staying on track in life. Partner cheating. If you dream your partner is having an affair, then this could be a result of insecurities or a fear of being betrayed. Such types of dreams can be a reflection of trust issues or concerns about your partner's loyalty. Finding money. Coming across money in a dream means most of the time that one finds her own worth and value. It is also interpreted to mean the discovery of hidden talents or, in other words, sudden gains. Being late. Dreams about being late are related to the pressure felt on the individual's mind and the anxiety caused by living up to expectations. These dreams show a sense of fear of missing out or not being able to make the best of one's potential. Having magical powers. Generally, in a dream, having magical powers usually means the desire for control and influence. They might be correlated with your ambitions and creative potential. Running in slow motion. Running in slow motion is often a representation of frustration or feeling stuck. This kind of dream shows your situations whereby you feel like you're going, but getting nowhere. Failing an exam. Failing an exam is usually a representation of deeply seated fears of inadequacy and failure. The pressure of succeeding or the expectations to succeed at any cost usually bring forth this scenario. Losing teeth. Dreams about losing teeth can show fear of aging or eventual death, loss, or even feeling powerless. They might touch upon concerns about your appearance or what others think of you. Lion dream. When you dream about a lion, it usually represents strength and bravery. This should let you know how important it is to be able to understand when to take your stand and show your inner strength. Elephant in dream. Dreams about elephants represent wisdom and patience. They may indicate that you need to become more thoughtful and cautious in the things you do. Tsunami. A tsunami in a dream is symbolic of overwhelming emotions. It is an indication of being scared, of getting swept away by powerful forces in your life. Childhood home. A dream about your childhood house can represent nostalgia and longing for the past. It may also refer to unresolved emotions related to your childhood upbringing. Faceless girl. A faceless girl in a dream could represent uncertainty in your relationships. It might show your feeling of anonymity or the fear of losing your identity.